Virdhaval Khade, country's fastest swimmer, says considering the Olympics is next year, he's itching to get his feet back into the water. Khade is married to Rujuta, who is the country's fastest female swimmer, taking the 50 meters freestyle title at the 73rd Glenmark National Senior Aquatics Championships. Now they are the country's fastest couple in swimming, with Khade also taking the 50-meter freestyle title. Rujuta from Maharashtra, like Khade, returned to the big stage after 4 years. Speaking to NNI Sports, he said Rujuta didn't want to swim. She was mentally not into it, but she just started swimming for fitness, and then she realized that she was doing very well. He says others can learn from this life lesson if you can put your mind to it.
Rujuta and I became the fastest couple last year. It's something that I had anticipated much earlier. We got married in 2017, and back then I told her that I really see us being the fastest swimmers in India at the same time. And none of us was swimming back then. I started swimming soon after we got married because I wanted to prepare for the Asian Games in 2018. And so once I started training, I think she started swimming just to lose some weight, and she started swimming really fast. At the same time, she was working really hard in the gym, and I think that strength really initially got her the speed, and I think that really motivated her and drove her to train harder. And both of us won at the Senior Nationals last year. We also won medals at the Asian Age Group and South Asian Games. And I think this for her is just a start. And at this point, I think she's maybe as motivated or even more motivated than I am to become a much faster and stronger swimmer. And with her work ethic, with her positive mentality, I really see that happening. I hope in the next 2-3 years she breaks, like she will definitely break the national record in the next few months. And I think she is one example that all girls and women in India can take. A lot of people think after marriage you can't really pursue sports, and you just have to take care of the house and give up all your dreams. And I think with her, she really is an example that a lot of women and girls can look up to. And if you really want something, you can work towards it. You can work hard, and you definitely can achieve it, whether you're married or not. So the 2010 Asian Games, I worked really hard for it, and when we went for the competition, I was actually expecting 2 medals in the 50 free and the 50 butterfly. So unfortunately, because of I think such a big stage, and in a big competition final, you don't really know who's going to win. So I just missed out on a medal in the 50 free, and I was fortunate enough to win a medal in the 50 butterfly. So yeah, it's a big moment for me in my career, and it definitely inspired me to work harder after that, and it also gave meaning to all the hard work that I put before that competition. So and it's one of the best memories of my swimming career. So when we found out that the Tokyo Olympics had been postponed, for me it was kind of a relief, because at that point, I think early April, things were still kind of crazy outside India with the whole COVID situation. And so it had really affected our plans towards the Olympics. Unfortunately, we could not travel to the US to train till the Olympics. And once US shut down all travel from Europe, I really kind of felt that Olympics should not be happening. And it might be a little too risky. Like, as much as sport is important, I feel health and life is more important than sport. So I think it's good that they were postponed, considering the situation all over the world at that point. And yeah, so with just 1 more year of training, 1 more year to prepare and improve, and hopefully we all will perform much better next year. For me, no, this is not the longest time I've been away. In 2012, I joined the Maharashtra government, and I think I've taken a few years off from my swimming. So I know well that how a swimmer or an athlete has to come back, and what needs to be done to maybe stay in shape, or once training, when the training will start, I know what needs to be done to get back to top shape fairly quickly. So yeah, this is not a very new feeling for me.